I am running around all over the place today trying to get ready to leave because tomorrow I'm headed to my parents' house and I'm just going to take a quick trip down there. My dad's birthday is on the 15th and he's turning 88, which is very exciting, and I definitely want to be there for that. So I will be headed down tomorrow actually, and so I thought I would just run around, get a few things. I really need a new beauty blender, so I'm going to run into Sephora for that, and then I'm going to run over to Loft, and I have to hit the grocery store and Walgreens to pick up a prescription. So I thought I'd invite you to come along too. So if you decide to hop in, you'll be sitting there where right now my Iana is sitting. Where is it? There it is. Yeah, so that's my side passenger right now. Love that bag. It's definitely going to go to Indiana with me tomorrow. Super simple and easy to carry around. So that's the plan. Let's get going and find what we can find. Oh, look at that sky. It's kind of creepy. Okay, I got a few things and I see snowflakes. It is snowing outside right now. I'm so finished with winter. I'm done. Yeesh. And it's snowing where I'm going tomorrow too. So winter just continues and continues. Okay. I have you propped up in my car in a strange way, and I'm gonna see if this works. But I thought I'd quickly show you what I got at Sephora. I went in for a beauty blender, just to let you know that was the case. Went in for a beauty blender, and I got two beauty blenders. This great travel, like everything kind of a brush that I can use for bronzer and, you know, any kind of like face powdery stuff, and I figure it's a really good size because I always take my jumbo one wherever I go, and that's silly. I don't need to do that anymore. And two lip products that I don't need but I really want to try. One is the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Patent Lip Lacquer in Major, which is a cute color. It's one of those that, you know, that same color I pretty much always do, but I love. If you can see it at all, get an idea of this color. And it's shiny. I love it. I tested it on my hand. And then I also tried this, which is brand new. I'm going to try this Clinique Pop Splash Lip Gloss Plus Hydration. It's the Marimekko for Clinique. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that at all right. And it's 08 Tenderheart. And also this looked like my kind of a color. So, especially for, you know, this coming spring. So perfect. I'm excited to give those a try. And oh, one more thing. I tried it on my hand. The smell alone got me, I'm telling you right now. But the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Can you see? There we go. Very excited about this. It just was so wonderful. It's an oil-free daily moisturizer that perfects skin with lush, juicy hydration for a lasting lit from within dewy glow. We'll see. It also has plumping hyaluronic acid, vitamin-rich watermelon, antioxidants, and a blend of soothing botanicals to prep skin for the day ahead. So, it's all good. Now, gonna run into Loft. So I did not find anything at Loft so I didn't get anything from there, but that's okay. Just want to check in and see if they had anything. Yeah, so drive into Walgreens and the grocery store. Okay, got that taken care of. Oh my gosh, real close to my home is an Ulta coming soon. I'm so excited. Gotta grab a few groceries so my family doesn't starve to death while I'm gone. Now the sun is sort of shining. It was snowing really hard. Strange clouds in the sky. Not sure what to expect next. Look at that. It's actually kind of creepy. dinner tonight will be chicken breast marinated with olive oil, garlic, lemon, salt, and pepper. And so let that marinate for a while, then I will either do that on the grill or not, because it's smelling, maybe just pan or roast, I'm not sure. So I'm Erica Rivera, and I'm going to make cookies in chunks and add herbs to it with olive oil and roast those in the oven. So then that's dinner. So before I need to start that, I will get the chicken marinating, but then I'm going to start working on editing a video or two because I'd like to have a couple of them come up, happen while I'm away. So there's that. I will do that for a little bit, then make dinner, and then after dinner, I'm gonna start packing. Well, I've already sort of started, not much. I'll pack the rest of the way because early tomorrow morning I leave. So thank you so much for going around everywhere with me. It was a crazy day and I ran all sorts of places, but it was great having you with me, as always. Bye.